Okay, the third method for multiplying mixed numerals is not really a third method, it's just another step in the method involving an improper fraction. So I'm just going to call this method 2.5 instead of method 3. Alright, so what you do with this is you do convert your mixed numeral to a fraction, or to an improper fraction. So 3 3/8, we know 3 times, let's just do this to recover, 3 times 8 equals 24 plus 3 equals 27 over 8 times, then we have 4 times 3, which equals 12, plus 2 equals 14 over 3. And so what you do here, when you're at this stage, is you look for ways to simplify. And you ask yourself, when we think of division or multiplication, we could do the look crossways, okay? And see, are there numbers that go into both 27 and 3? In this case, yes, it's 3. We can divide this by 3 and this by 3. And between 8 and 14 is 2. So we can divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, and we get 27 divided by 3 is, what is that, 7 over 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 14 divided by 2 is 7, and we have 3 divided by 3 is 1. And I go back here and I look and I say, no, 27 divided by 3 is 9. That's how great of a math teacher I am, hey? Common mistake. But I found it before I went any further. So now we simply do the math here. We go 9 times 7, right, and 4 times 1. And I'm just going to move it down here just so we can see. 9 times 7 is 63. And 4 times 1 is 4. So we have 63 over 4, which equals, 4 goes into 63, I think, 15 times. 4 times 15 is 60, right? 60. So our answer is 15 and 3/4. That's what we have left over, right? And then we estimate. Let's do an estimate to see, is our answer reasonable? 3 3/8 is between 3 and 4, but it's closer to 3. So we'll say 3. And 4 2/3 is between 4 and 5, and it's closer to 2, or closer to 4. So we'll say 3 times 4 is 12. Our answer is about 12, but 12 is lower, right? 12 is going to be less. So our 15 3/4 isn't out of the ballpark. So I'm going to say, yeah, that's right. And that's how you multiply mixed numerals.